Today, we have the Airpods Pro headphones that have been acting up for a while. Recently, there has been a crackling sound coming from the right earphone, especially when using the noise-canceling feature. By readjusting the earphone in the ear and changing its position, I've been able to use the headphones. However, the crackling has become so bothersome lately that I had to stop using the headphones altogether. Even turning off the noise cancellation didn't help. I've been searching for a solution on Google and YouTube. The only practical advice I found is to clean the headphones. Dirt on the headphones and sensors can cause disruptions. It's especially important to clean the microphones on the outer surface to ensure smooth feedback. I use cotton swabs and toothpicks for cleaning. Cotton doesn't damage the surface, and a toothpick is gentle and won't scratch easily. With a toothpick, I can easily clean all the small crevices. I wrap cotton around the end of a toothpick to create a precise tool for cleaning small gaps. For cleaning, I use ethanol, a universal cleaner. I always have plenty of it in stock. However, caution is needed because it's not suitable for all surfaces. Almost all plastics tolerate it well, but painted surfaces may suffer. Also, markings on the plastic surface may come off. Ethanol is much gentler than many other substances, such as acetone. Cleaning didn't help, the crackling persisted. Apparently, the feedback mechanism in the headphones is faulty. I try to mute the feedback by covering the microphones with tape. The noise-canceling function works by capturing external background noise with microphones. The signal from the background noise is amplified and added to the headphone signal in opposite phase, effectively reducing the background noise. Taping helped. The crackling stopped, but I can no longer use the noise-canceling feature. These will serve as a temporary solution, and I plan to buy new AirPods. Despite everything, headphones with all the functions are much better, and I need the noise-canceling feature. I marked these with a blue marker to avoid confusing them with the new ones. Nevertheless, the situation is resolved to the extent possible. Thank you for watching.